how to fix YouTube when you're getting a network error on your smart TV. So whether the app's not loading, not connecting, or you just can't play videos in general, I'm going to show you a couple of solutions for this problem. Now, the first thing you need to do is just head over to your television settings. Now, this may differ slightly depending on your model of television, but for me, I can just grab my television remote control and I can click on this settings button here to bring up the settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to go and find network. Once you're on your network settings, you need to go and find your connection. So I need to scroll down to Wi-Fi connection and click on this. And the likelihood is you're already going to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. So what we need to do is just go and forget the network and reconnect to it. Now to do that, I can just scroll down to my connection like so. I can then just go and tap on it to delete the connection. Now, like I said, this depends on your model of television. You may need to go and hold down the enter button in order to forget the device. So once you've tried removing your network and trying to reconnect, you can check to see now if YouTube is working. Now, if it's still not working, the second thing we need to try is updating the firmware on our television. So we're just going to head back over to the settings menu, and I'm going to come all the way down to all settings. Now you're looking for an option in the settings to update your television firmware. So for me, it's all the way down at the bottom underneath support. And you see on the right hand side, I have the option to software update. Click on this. And typically you'll just have the automatic update feature turned on, but you can go and manually press the check for updates button, and this will manually install any outdated firmware. Now, if you have tried both of these methods and it's still not working, the next thing we need to do is reset the TV settings. So I'm going to come back over to the main settings page. I'm then going to click on General. I'm going to scroll down to System and click on this. And then I need to scroll down to Reset to Initial Settings. And then I can just go and press Reset All. Once your TV settings have been reset, you can once again check if that solved the YouTube issue. If you have tried all of the steps in this video and it's still not working, the final solution is just to power cycle your television. So to do this, we first need to power off the device just using the TV remote. Once your TV is completely shut down, you need to go and unplug it from the main power supply. Once it's been unplugged, leave this unplugged for around about 30 seconds. This will drain any residual power that's left in the device. After 30 seconds have passed, you can then go and replug your television back into the wall. You can try turning it on, and that should have now solved the YouTube issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.